Welcome to the High Gas V Art Table. We've been discussing Jackson Pollock, and we learned that he loved to take all these different colors of paint and splatter and drip them onto his canvas. We also learned that he would often put string or sand and sometimes even nails and broken glass into his canvas. So I thought we would do a little art project with string and paint and try to create something like Jackson Pollock would have created. I have 5 colors of paint and a spoon in each cup. I also have 5 strings, and I'm going to use a spoon to help get the string down in the paint very well, always leaving just a little tail hanging over the edge of the cup. So let's get all of these strings covered up nicely with paint. So now that we have our strings covered in paint, I'm going to pull one out and lay it on my paper and see what kind of design we can come up with. Welcome to the High Gas V Art Table. This week we have been studying Jackson Pollock, and we have discovered how he loved to splash and sprinkle and splatter and drip paint all over a canvas. The colors would run together, slide together, cross each other. And so I thought we would try to do a Jackson Pollock masterpiece of our own. But we're going to use marbles to help get all of our lines on our paper. I have 5 colors of paint, so I'm going to put a couple marbles in each glass of paint. There we go. And then I've got a spoon. We're going to stir them up to make sure that they get very covered in paint. I also have a cookie sheet and a piece of watercolor paper. I'm doing this in a cookie sheet so that as I roll the marbles, they don't roll off and onto the table. You could use a cardboard box just as easy as you could use a cookie sheet. So now I have to decide what color I want to slide around my paper first. I think I'll go with blue. It's so much fun to create like Jackson Pollock.